Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar that you can hear on the verse. It's in standard tuning, so just take your guitar and let's begin. This is not a so difficult song to play, but the rhythm is a little bit difficult to understand when you listen to the original, because it's not a so normal rhythm and it's pretty fast in the original. But I'm going to play it slow so you understand how it works. And we start like this. We place the index finger on the 7th fret 6th string, and at the same time we put the second finger, middle finger, on the 7th fret 3rd string. We play the 6th string with the thumb, and to play that 3rd string you can choose which finger works better for you. I use the middle finger. And we have just to keep alternating the 6th string and the 3rd. Okay? But the rhythm I'm going to show you only half measure now. The rhythm is like this. Okay, you get it? Okay, and after that we play again the 6th string, and now instead of playing the 7th fret on the 3rd string, we are going to place the pinky finger on the 9th fret on the same string, and we play that only once. Then 6th string and back to the 7th fret. So I show you the whole first measure. Okay, you get it? Okay, let's try to play it together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and we continue to the second measure. The first half of the second measure is exactly the same as the first half of the first measure. That first measure, that first half that we played in the beginning. Okay, but after that we play the 6th string, and then we play a slide to the 9th fret on the 5th string with the index finger. And then we place the ring finger on the 11th fret 3rd string. Okay. So the second measure sounds like this. Okay, if you have never played the slide, it's just that we have to hold down the string a little bit before the 9th fret to get that effect. Okay, so when you put together the first and second measures, it sounds like this. Okay, so now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and then we come to the third measure. The rhythm is exactly the same, we are just going to use a different chord. And it works like this. We put the first finger, index finger, on the 5th fret 6th string, and at the same time the second finger on the 3rd string 6th fret, and we play the same rhythm that we did on the first measure. Okay, and now to play that extra note that we did before putting the index finger on the 9th fret, now we do it with the ring finger on the 7th fret. Okay, and in the same way as we did on the first measure, we play it just one time, that extra note. Okay. Okay, so we continue, and the last measure of the riff is with the same rhythm, and we end as well with a slide, but instead of doing the 9th fret with the index finger as we did, this time we're going to play that slide using, you can choose which finger works better for you, using the 3rd finger or the pinky finger, one of those. But because after that we have to play the 7th fret on the 3rd string, and there it's very important that we used that second finger, because we're going to start immediately with the first measure again. So we do that slide, and we start again. Okay, so you can try. I do it with the ring finger, but I have a really big hand, so if you don't have a big hand, it's going to be complicated to play those two tones like that. So try with the pinky finger. Okay, and there we have everything. I'm going to show you one time playing from the beginning, measures 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we try to play it together. So let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and we just have to keep repeating this across the whole verse. So now we can try to play it 2 times. Remember that as soon as we play that slide, we start again. Okay? So we play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... Repeat. Okay, let's try to play one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and now we're going to play it faster, like the original one, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... let's Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was Anywhere by Rita Ora. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn how to play and you don't find it in my website, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.